Hey, this is Joanne Musa, the Tax Lien Lady again with another tax lien investing quick tip for you. And this one is about the 6 things that you need to know before you choose where to invest, okay? So this is about choosing the best place for you to invest and the 6 things that you need to know, okay? And this is covered in one of the chapters in my book, Tax Lien Investing Secrets, how you can get 8 to 36% on your money without the typical risk of real estate or the uncertainty of the stock market. Okay, so we're talking about the 6 things that you need to know before you choose where to invest. And the 6 things that you need to know are the interest rate that you're going to get, okay, the bidding method, because sometimes that interest rate is bid down or sometimes premium is paid, which effectively lowers your interest rate. Redemption period, so that's how long you have to wait before you can either force redemption on the property or foreclose on the property. The expiration date, you see, what a lot of tax lien investing gurus don't tell you is that in many states, these tax liens expire after a certain amount of time, after a certain number of years. Now, the expiration period is always after the redemption period. So, but if you don't do anything after the redemption period, you only have a certain amount of time before the tax lien will expire. So it's important to know what the expiration period is. And then whether you get to pay subsequent taxes or not, when and how you need to pay them. Because you see, when you go to a tax sale, you're buying last year's taxes or maybe even the year before, but there are current taxes that can be paid. And once you're the lien holder in a lot of states, you get to pay them. And you get interest or penalties on the subsequent taxes that you pay, and this varies from state to state. So you need to know what interest or penalties you do get on the subsequent taxes and how and when you pay them. Okay, now there can also be additional penalties, and this is the final thing that you need to know when you're choosing where you're going to invest. What other penalties might you get? And are these penalties in addition to the interest rate, or in some cases, like in the case of Florida, instead of the interest rate, if you bid a lower interest rate? Okay. Now, in the book, in Tax Lien Investing Secrets, I do go over some of the more popular states, and I really go into those things in depth. Okay, I go over what happens in New Jersey, in Florida, in Arizona, and in Maryland in depth, with those 6 things that I just talked to you about, okay? All right, so the 6 things that you need to know before you choose the best place for you to invest. And again, if you want to get my book, Tax Lien Investing Secrets, you can get it at TaxLienInvestingSecrets.com.